Next problem, Hamiltonian circuit, or we can also call it as Hamiltonian cycle. Hamiltonian cycle. If a graph is given, start from any vertex and visit all vertices exactly once and return back to starting vertex so that it forms a cycle. We have to check, is there any Hamiltonian cycle? If it is there, then we have to check how many possible solutions are there. Okay, what is Hamiltonian cycle? We need to start from any vertex, travel all the vertices and come back to same vertex to form a cycle. This is called Hamiltonian cycle. And here in Hamiltonian cycle, there can be any number of possible solutions. Some possible solutions are repeated. For example, this graph is given. I'll start from vertex 1. 1, visit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Next solution is 1, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3, again 1. And 1, 6, 2, 5, 4, 3, 1. Again, if I start from vertex 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. You can check. This is a repetition of same cycle. Here it is beginning from vertex 2, but here it starts from vertex 1. 1, 2, 3. See, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Come back to 2. So sometimes same cycle will repeat. I'll take an example of this. This is a cost adjacency matrix of this graph. Okay. Initially, I'll take one array X. Initially, everything is set to 0. Right? To avoid duplicate cycle, always will start from vertex 1. So I'll start from vertex 1. So I'll remove the 0 and replace 0th value by 1. Right? So 1 is set, visited. Now I need to check 1 is connected to 2, 3, 5. Either I can take 2, 3 or 5. I'll go with 2. Okay. So if I go to 2, see 1 to 2, right? And from 2 to I'll go to 3. And from 3 it is connected to 1, which is already visited, connected to 2, already visited, connected to 3, there's no connection between 3 to 3, there's no cycle. 3 to 4 is possible. So from 3 I can go to 4. Again I need to, okay, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, then from 4 to 5, right? 5 to come back to 1, right? Again, every time it needs to check whether the connection is possible by using cost adjacency matrix. So my path is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and then back to 1. So now it will create one Hamiltonian cycle. Right? Again, after creating this, we need to check whether 5 to 1 edge is present. If I check cost adjacency matrix, 5 to 1, it is 1. That means 5 to 1 is present, so cycle is found. This is a simple algorithm of Hamiltonian cycle. Start from vertex 1. Here, if vertex 1 there is no connection, that means it is 0, then return. That means only one vertex. If a last vertex is found, then go back. Else, go to next vertex. So when Hamiltonians, again it is called, again it will check for next vertex. Here, this is to find whether the vertex is available with another. You can go through this algorithm. This algorithm is very easy. Okay. Here it will check whether duplicate is found. If the duplicate vertices are found, then go to check a next vertex. Okay. Here this is to check whether there is a connectivity between the vertex, and this is to check whether the end of vertex is reached or not.